Hello everyone. So before just starting this video, I wanted to make an announcement that I am going to start a new Dasamsa course in this December, that is December 2020. So if you guys want to take that Dasamsa course, you can just contact to my given below WhatsApp number for more information. Okay. So yep, this is it. This was my announcement. So in the next announcement, I'll make up the chapters and sections and all of Dasamsa what I'm going to teach in that course. Okay, so let's begin. Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my being in touch with my fans promotional video. In this video I'm going to answer only few of my fans. So before beginning, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section. Okay, and yes, please to like and follow my Facebook community page Parikshith Astrology, where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So let's begin. Now, the first question is asked by the Modern Venus Tarot. How would you use the d60 and d9 chart to see the strength of planets in the Rashi chart? So, see, in order to see the strengthness of your planet, so you need to use the d9 chart. So, d60 chart is used for to check the past life, karmas and all. So, this is how the d60 and d9 chart are seen mainly. And d9 chart is also seen for your married life. Okay. So, hope I have answered your question. Now, the second question is asked by S. Tacker. 7th house Lord Jupiter in the 10th house. So, in Gemini ascendant. So, husband, profession and distance. So, that shows that your husband might be working, and it also shows that your husband might be teacher also, or professor, or any lecturer, or lawyer, or advisor, or consultant. So, anything related to Jupiter. And you need to check the sign also, in which sign the Jupiter is placed in. You told that 7th house Lord Jupiter and that to Gemini ascendant, right? So that shows that for Gemini ascendant people, the 10th house will be actually ruled by Pisces. So it will be sitting in the own sign. That shows that it might be something related to the Jupiter only. So the profession will be related to the Jupiter. Now the third question is asked by Tutsi Deshmukh. Amazing video. Well, I have Moon and Venus in the first house in Scorpio ascendant. Can you tell some more details? It will be of great help. Now, actually, whenever Moon and Venus are in the first house of the Navamsha chart, that shows that your creativity will get increased after your married life, and it also shows that you might become more romantic. It also shows that your Moon is debilitated there in the Scorpio ascendant in the first house. So, there might be some problem in the married life also, or in your relationship. So, hope I have answered your question also. So, yep, this is it for today guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see you in the next video. So, if you want any consultancy, please to contact my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So, until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.